I have HP Slate 6 VoiceTab, and let me show you how to change your date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, find here and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to choose here the date and time. It should be located under system. Let's tap it, and here you can use the automatic date and time and automatic time zone. But if you disable those two features right here, you will be able to set the date manually and also the time zone. So let me set the date. For example, let me switch date, let me switch time, and you can also select the time zone right here. Alright, but if you would like to go back to automatic configuration, just simply enable those two features and you can use it. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.